This automated message is brought to you by the United States government. A bioweapon has been released in southeast Kansas. It causes symptoms of madness, anger, fear, screaming the word Cedes, death. If you or your loved ones start showing symptoms, keep saying banned. A lockdown is in effect for the following states: Oklahoma, Kansas, Texas, Arkansas, New Mexico, Colorado, Missouri, and Nebraska. Remain indoors. Stock up on food and water. If you hear anything inside or outside your house, do not investigate. Turn off all lights and hide. This message was authorized by President Cedes. Wait, that's what the Bioweapon